What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. You may be wondering, go fast, why are you making a video at a receiving warehouse? Well, because it's not a receiving warehouse. Well, it is. That's not why I'm here. Oh no, let me show you. Yep, that's where I'm at. I've never been in one of these places before, so I'm kind of excited to check it out. So, let's experience it. Nice. There you go, Funky. It's just everything, everywhere. Door panels and visors and seat foam, a whole engine. Oh yeah. There you go. It's for all my Fox guys out there. Bam. Just for you, Funky. Just for you. That looks like a fun ride. That is a giant header. Look at this. Here you go, Salty. This is your section. Well, I don't think that's going to do very much baffling. Look at that. Got a big hole in the bottom of it. Why? Oh, roll cage. Roll cage padding, otherwise known as pool noodles. Now you could either buy roll cage padding for $5.76 or go to Walmart and buy a pool noodle for, I don't know, nothing. Look at that. Sweet. It chose a weird shape for those. Fine, I didn't want to buy it anyway. I'll take those though. Goodness sakes, they forgot to put the head on it. It ain't gonna run right. Look, they got everything here. Look, headlights, taillights for trucks. Huh. And a whole, what is it, 32 Ford? Doesn't really say. Yeah, actually there it is, 32 Ford. Bam. Your boy knows his cars. Look at the whole front subframe. Huh. Hotchkiss suspension, Wilwood brakes. Sweet. Wall o' wheels. Detroit speed. Boom. Huh. Those would look sick on Mally. But I don't know which one's which. So it's either 250 or 150. Nice though. There you go, Gary, Mr. Mach 1. Oof. Need. God, those things are expensive. Chonky. Oh, I want those. That and that right there. Those are the wheels I really want for Mally. Sweet. Oh, and just never mind the random duster. Just posted up and chilling. They got RC trucks at Summit Racing. Huh. All sorts of cool stuff. Oh, walked right past this thing, didn't even notice. Oh yeah, little Y-end 1072. Nice. You can literally just buy about everything you need to build a car. But that's right there. Tell you what, drop a gear this pair. Let's see. Let's try this Sparko. Didn't say I can't try it, so I'm gonna try it. Not bad. Little tight. Comfy. For the low price of $330. I like that one. Let's try this one. Let's see here. Ooh, much better. I like this one. Yeah, that one's a winner. I am not even gonna try. Nope. I reckon that'll about do it. Pretty cool place. I am definitely impressed. So Salty, thanks for the recommendation. And yeah, wish you could have hung out with me here, but you know, I would rather go to the Keys too. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna actually pick up a t-shirt for the wife and I or something, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little tour. Ooh, nitrous. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the little tour. I know I definitely enjoyed it. It's a pretty cool place. So to leave you off, instead of the normal see you later, I'm just gonna leave you with this. We'll catch you next time. Peace.
Hi guys.
Don't forget to
Like, comment
and subscribe
to Go Fast Nation.
and come along for the ride.